Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows 10 is up to date and online. This avoids driver or handshake issues. Next, gather the VPN server address, chosen protocol, username, password, and any certificate or key file. Store them where you can find them. Then, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, select VPN, and click Add a VPN connection. This begins the concrete setup steps you need to complete the connection profile. Now configure the profile fields carefully. Choose Windows built-in or the provider app, give the connection a clear name, and paste the server address exactly. Then pick the protocol that matches your provider. Use IKEv2 for stability, open VPN via the provider app for flexibility, or L2TP/ISEC when certificates are required. Enter your username and password. Import any certificate files when prompted. To finish, click your new VPN profile and hit Connect. You'll see an authentication exchange and then a connected status. Once connected, verify that your IP and DNS changed. Use ipconfig/all or a quick web IP check to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If it fails, make sure credentials are correct, the chosen protocol matches the provider, Windows firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the client, and the provider is operational. Restart the adapter or re-import certificates when needed to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.